Hello and welcome to Dongfeng S7 car review. Today, let's take an in-depth look at the powertrain of this high-performance automobile, which will show you the characteristics of its engine, transmission, and drive modes, as well as what are their advantages. The S7 has a modernized design language, with an atmospheric and stable front face and a streamlined body that improves aerodynamic performance. The exquisite headlight group shape resembles a 7 shape, and the dynamic body lines and slippery back shape make the whole car more sporty and luxurious. The S7 offers spacious interior space and a comfortable ride. The body design not only improves the utilization of space inside the vehicle, but also enhances the stability and handling of the entire vehicle. Meanwhile, S7 offers a wide range of models to choose from with long range. Whether it's color, size, or performance, the various configurations from standard to high-end can meet your different needs. Then, let's take a look at the drive mode. The S7 has a front-wheel drive with electric power assist, which allows it to perform flexibly in city or mountain driving and improves the stability and maneuverability of the vehicle. Overall, the S7 is a pure electric vehicle with both aesthetics and performance, a wide range of choices, and direct delivery from the manufacturer. At the same time, the Dongfeng S7 has EU certification, which means that it meets stringent safety and environmental protection standards, and will be able to provide more users with the option of green mobility. Through the above introduction, we can see the excellent performance of S7 in terms of powertrain. Whether it's acceleration performance, top speed, the S7 shows its strength as a high-performance car. Thank you for watching and welcome to subscribe to our channel for more car-related content. See you next time.